Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. Did you know washing dishes could be peaceful? Well, this waterfall kitchen faucet by JOOM feels absolutely peaceful. And you know what? I love using this when you don't need a ton of pressure, like for washing veggies, but it can be quickly turned and used for a straight stream, just like when you need to fill up something in the sink, like for watering your plants, but it can quickly turn into a powerful sprayer. And you can use it for veggies or fruit, for cleaning your sink out. And I am so appreciative that the directions are simple. If I can put it together in 45 minutes without having any problems, then you can too. It's so simple and the design is gorgeous. A practical, beautiful, simple piece for your kitchen that is amazing and affordable. So, folks, look no further than your new kitchen faucet by JOOM. I love mine. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.